Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Gin and Berries So Green Beer and Maniology M334 and Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout. I've started my manicure with IMK Peeleze, and here is Gin and Berries So Green Beer. Yes, I know this is typically used for, St. Patrick's Day manicures, but today we're using it in this manicure. So we're going to go in with our first coat. It's a beautiful green with a gold shimmer, and I really like that. Very pretty. Here we go with our second coat. Love the brush on this one. It's one of those flat paddle brushes that's kind of rounded. Makes application easy. Easy, and we love some easy around here. As you can see, that gold's popping out really pretty. Alright, we're going to top this with I&M's Out the Door, get it to dry down. Now, I know the name of it's So Green Beer, but I'm a coffee drinker, so we're going to put some coffee stamping on these nails today. Funny enough. There we go. There's my swatch photo of it on its own. And we'll be using Maniology M334. I love this plate. Got to get the blue film off of it. Can't wait to use some of the other images. But today, I've already picked out my image that I'm going to use. I'm going to clean that with some acetone. Here's Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout. And my cube stamper and my H. the Corsador scraper. And here we go with the little coffee cups. I just thought these were adorable. And, when I had the green on and I thought of white stamping, I thought this looks a lot like the little Starbucks coffee cups. So, not that I do that. I make my own coffee, but I just couldn't help but give it a go. I did clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and I'm cleaning my plate off with acetone. I almost forgot where I was going on this plate. Back to the cups, girl. Back to the coffee cups. But here we go. We're going to plop along. Now, all of these nails are going to get, the stamping, the same image. And I'm not trying to line it up any certain way or anything. And in fact, I'm probably going to recycle. Let's see if we do it. Yes, we indeed are. I put some of the little bitty ones on the pinky nail. They were left over. They needed to be used. So here we go. One more. Gonna get one more and plop that on the nail. Ta-da! We're going to go in with a piece of tape and get the excess up off of my skin. And I am way bad out of frame. Another casualty of me doing nail tips for so long. Forgot how to do my own nails. So learn again with me. We're going in with our cleanup brush. And look how beautiful that cleaned up. Just perfect. I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. And once that's completely dry, I'll be going back in with the I&M's Out the Door. We're going to call this one Finished. To done, to did. But I loved it. I really liked this one. Very nice, very pretty. And first of all, and mostly important, my nails are painted. Hi Woody, how you doing? And there is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.